Hello students, today let's see table of 2. Now what is table of 2? See here 2, 2, 2 is written. Okay, and here is a sign of x, that is of multiplication. So today we are going to see multiplication. Okay, and here you can see there are 2 bindis in a circle. Here are many circles given and in each circle there are 2 bindis. Yes, so today we are going to see table of 2 and we are going to learn what is multiplication. Okay, so in this circle, first circle, you can see 2 bindis. So here we are going to write 2 bindis in one circle. When 2 bindis in one circle, how many bindis together? See, let's count. 1, 2. Yes, so 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now let's see next. Here are 2 circles and in each circle there are 2 bindis. So 2 plus 2, addition you have studied. This sign is of addition. Yes, 2 plus 2, how many it will become? 1, 2, 3, 4. But in multiplication, how we are going to write 2 bindis into 2 circles. Okay, so 2 bindis in 2 circles. So together how many it will become? Yes, so it is 4 bindis. Yes. Now let's see next. Now here are 3 circles. One more circle is increased and in each circle there are 2 bindis. Here there were 4. Now after this 4 again 5 and 6. So together how many bindis here are now? 6. And here it is written 2 plus 2 plus 2. So this is repeated addition. And this repeated addition we write in a multiplication form. That is 2 into 3. That is 2 bindis in 3 circles. Together will become how many? Yes, 6 bindis. Yes. So multiplication means it is repeated addition. It is repeated addition. Now again you can see here 4 circles. In each circle there are 2 bindis. Now how many times we have taken this? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 2 you are going to add 4 times, isn't it? So 2 4s are. What we are going to write? 2 into 4. So 2 into 4, how many it will become? Yes, here this 6 bindis plus this 2. Okay, so 7, 8. So now these bindis are how many? 2 4s are 8 bindis. Okay, now let's see next. Okay, so now again one more circle increase. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. This we have taken how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Yes, so 2 5s are. That is 2 into 5. And we are going to count how many? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so 2 5s are 10. Okay, now after these 5 circles, we have one more circle increase here. 2 5s are 10. In this 10, again 2 are going to increase. So 11 and 12. So 2 you are going to take 6 times. So 2 into 6 is how many? 12. So 12 bindis here. Okay. Now after that, now 2 bindis we are going to take 7 times in 7 circles. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And here already 12 plus 2, that is 13 and 14. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes. So 2 sevens are 14. So already now here 14 are there. 2 sevens are 14. And when we add 2 more, so it will become 15, 16. Yes. So now 2 bindis you are going to take 8 times and they are going to become 16. So 2 8s are 16. See, counting this 2 so many times, it is so much boring, isn't it? And it is difficult for counting also. So this is the easiest way. So multiplication is the easiest way for repeated addition. Okay. Now 2 9s are. So 2 we are going to take 9 times. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 times. And already 2 8s are 16. And here we are going to add 2 more. So 16 plus 2, that is 17, 18. So 2 9s are 18. Yes. And now 2 10s are. 2 10s are. Here see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times you are going to add 2 and you are going to get 2 into 10 is equal to, that is 20. Okay. So how we read this table of 2? So we read it table of 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. And 2 10s are 20. So this way you are going to make table of 10. Sorry, table of 2. So you are going to make table of 2. How you will make table of 2? This is your homework. You are going to make using dal. Okay. At home you must be having tur dal or moong dal, or even you can use bindis. And you have to make this table of 2 and write. Isn't it a fantastic homework? Yes, you will love to do this activity. Yes. Now one more multiplication examples. A few more multiplication examples we are going to see. Yes. Can you see these 2 triangles? Yes. And in each triangle, how many bindis are there? 3 bindis. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 bindis in how many triangles? 2 triangles. Yes. So 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Total how many bindis? Yes. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. So total bindis here are 6. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now let's see another example. See here. Here are 3 vowels given, and in each vowel or circle there are 5 bindis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bindis in how many circles here? Yes, 3 circles here. Okay. And 5 3s are. Let's count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many bindis are there? 15 bindis. Yes. Now let's see another example. See here. 2 squares. And how many bindis in each square? 1, 2, 3, 4. So each square, how many bindis? 4 bindis. And how many squares are there? 2 squares. So total bindi, how many? Let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 2s are 8. So this way you are going to study your multiplication and make your own table of 2. Thank you.